If you want to. So, what was it like transitioning from that? A lot of us on Twitter, we were kind of joking about the first costume. You had the version 1, kind of like, I'm still a costume. And then, like, you transitioned to your costume. What was that like?
I was in tears. I cried the first time I put it on. It was so overwhelming knowing that I'm now being used as a model for young Black women to see themselves when they see a superhero. So it was very emotional for me. On top of it looking great, it was just an emotional experience, And I definitely feel like a superhero. Once I start stepping into it, I'm like, okay, come on, Thunder. And it just like, it inspires me. It does. What we got?
I'm going to jump in a few seconds. So we talked last year, you're just coming into a role you couldn't really talk about. Now you had the reaction. What did you feel like? Now season 1's done, now you're getting ready for season 2.
The reaction?
Yeah.
From the fans?
Yes, how you felt about the reaction from the fans?
Again, just really, really overwhelming. I think one story in particular, I was at a comic convention and a young woman came up to me and she was in tears and she said that after seeing Thunder, she feels normal to be a lesbian. And I was just like, of course I cried, I'm an emotional person. And I was just like, wow, to know that I'm being used in such a powerful and dynamic way and something that's way bigger than myself. I'm really grateful that God has chosen me for this opportunity to give voiceover to who she is. Yeah, so it's a blessing. And after seeing season 1 and seeing the reaction from season 1, it just inspires me to be like, I am ready to get back. When do we start filming? Yeah, so it's been it's been a life-changing experience. It's been an incredible ride so far. We're just getting started. Yeah. Lord willing, we're here for many more seasons. Yeah.
So what's the next step for your character now that your sister has powers and she's kind of like presenting your character clearly embraced this. So what's next for her going into season 2?
I think Anissa is going to inspire and encourage her sister to embrace her powers until she does. Because, Anissa feels like that this is a God-given gift and we are to use it as our purpose, and just trying to explain that to her and encourage her that we have to, use this gift that we've been given to save our community, to save the people who can't save themselves. So other than that, Anissa's feeling herself. She's like, okay, I know how this works. I understand how my powers, how I do this. And she's ready to, hit the streets. She's always ready to hit the streets. Know that.
So what was it like doing that first scene when you're walking through the streets and everyone's turning their heads? You had a little bit of like, excitement, exhilaration?
Yeah, it's incredible. First, it's always, funny when you're filming in the street and people are like driving by. That's one thing when you're in regular clothes, but then you're in superhero costume and people are stopping and they're like, wait a minute, whoa. And not knowing what the show, we were still filming before the show had aired, so people would be seeing us on the street and they're like, oh my goodness, like, wait, stopping, double looking, like, what is happening? And it's just cool knowing like they have no clue what's about to come. The first Black superhero family is about to hit TV. So, blessings. That's what it feels like.
And then one more question related to when you teamed up with your father for the first, I would say your first mission.
Yeah.
You're kind of butting heads. Did it feel a little odd, changing from the family dynamic, and now you're actually in your alter egos actually working together with your father, but you still have that, I am really strong, I can do whatever I want.
But still needing to learn the ropes and understand how it all works. And I think, again, once Anissa realized her powers, she's just like, okay, let me use them, but learning when to use them, when not, when to, pull out that superhero card, because she feels like it's like whenever we see something that's not right, we got to handle it. And it's about, the good thing is that she's with her father, who's still, acknowledging her powers, but guiding her along the way. And just having that patience to listen, because sometimes it's tough for this. So she just wants to get out there, and it's just like, wait a minute. I know you want to help, but not every job is out there. So just understanding that's a struggle. Yeah. You're welcome.
Which show would you like to cross over with on the CW?
I would have to say teaming up with maybe Supergirl would be cool. I definitely want to team up with some other women in the superhero world. So we'll see. We'll see how that, maybe Superhero is about that life. Supergirl is about that life, and she's trying to come to Freeland and help us take care of some business, because we're pretty occupied where we are, and there's a lot to be done with community. So it'd be cool to see one of them come to us, come to Freeland.
So we know that Grace is coming back next season. What can you talk about that? What can you see?
Who said I can talk about it? Yeah, no. The cool thing is that the fans have been wanting to see that, and I like to see more of Anissa's love life this season, because it's just been like so much into her and her development as a superhero and understanding how her powers work that she's kind of put love on the back burner. And it's like, you know, everybody's human, everybody needs a little love, and you know, the balance of life and love and career. So I think you'll see her try to navigate that journey this season. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.